I'm Stacy and welcome to my channel. I make videos on fashion and styling, and today's video is going to be a Staud unboxing. So technically it's not an unboxing, it's sort of an unwrapping because I've already unboxed it. I couldn't help it. I've been waiting on this package for a little over 2 weeks. It took them a long time. Oh, interesting. Oh, my boots fell over, so sorry. So anyway, it took it a long time to ship. Probably it took it maybe a week and a half to even leave their warehouse. So I probably didn't receive it for maybe 2 weeks. And that's a long time for me. I mean, I'm used to ordering something, especially if you order something from like Farfetch or Revolve or Shopbop. I mean, 2-3 business days and you have your item, and that's not even express shipping. So however, they were having a sample sale. So they had a lot of orders, I would imagine. I think the sample sale is usually held in New York, in person, but because of COVID, they've been holding their normal sample sales online, and I was able to partake. So I have 4 bags, I know, and I actually love this brand. I've talked about this brand ad nauseum on my channel. I already have 4 bags from them that I've bought, either regular price or maybe or somewhat discounted or whatever. But these bags, I got 4 bags for about $400. So, you know, 4 bags for $400, I think that's a really good deal. These are all leather handbags. I mean, they're well made, it's good quality. And most of these handbags range from about $300 to $400. So again, I think I just made excellent choices. I'm excited about it. So I just wanted to unbox this, guys, for you. Okay, so today I have on, guys, this is just a sweater that I got from H&M. I got it a long time ago, maybe a couple of months ago. I did haul this in the video that I told you guys that I was not able to upload because it just wouldn't act right. But this was only like $19.99 or $17.99. It was very, very cheap. It is super soft. They may have it in a couple of different colors. I don't really remember. I know I've seen this in store recently. So just check out your local H&M. I will try to link it if it's still available online, because sometimes, you know, if it sells out online, they completely remove it from the site. And I paired it with, and I will insert a picture of my outfit, just some faux leather shorts and some boots that I have from Steve Madden. The shorts are from Zara. They're still their current season. I think they were like $36, so very inexpensive. And then I got these boots from Steve Madden last season. Well, when I say last season, I mean last year. Maybe last October, November. I love them. The heel's not too high. It's just a nice neutral print. This is snake print. Obviously, snake is very on trend this season. And yeah, and so I think they have this version or a similar version of this shoe this year. I think I ended up getting it for like maybe $60. It was on sale, but these are relatively inexpensive. So you can find something, if not this particular boot, something similar, and I will link similar options. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so the reason I got this bag was because I actually do like smaller bags. And I used to like make fun of people who just didn't like big bags. So I was like, why would you like a small bag? Like anything that's bigger is better. Like I live in Texas, the bigger the better. So, but I do understand it. Like I bought this huge bag. I think it was Ghani. Love this bag. This bag I got on super duper clearance. It was like an $800 bag. I think I paid like $200 for it. I love it. It's beautiful. I think I may have shown you guys. If I didn't show you guys on here, I may have shown you on IG. But this bag is massive. Like it's kind of a drawstring. It's leather. It's beautiful. It has like crop details and tortoise details, you know, on the strap. I love it. But it's too big. And honestly, I just like a bag where I'm able to kind of put it inside of my like smaller bag, especially when it comes to like work, because I carry a bigger like work tote, because I usually carry my laptop at home most nights or whatever, because you just never know when you need to like get online or whatever. So anyway, I usually do, you know, bring a tote to work, and I don't like wearing like big bags to work when I know that I have this tote. It's just too much. So I like having smaller bags, and I find myself carrying my LV Pochette Felice, which I love that bag because it's so small, and that's really become my most used handbag because of the size of it. So I figured I needed a smaller bag. So I saw this one. They had it in a couple different colors, and it's called the Holly Convertible Bag. And again, I have unboxed it, but I did not unwrap it. I figured I would unwrap it in front of you guys. I figured that would be the nice compromise since I didn't wait to unbox it. And here's like the little picture of like how it's supposed to look here. I love it. And you can wear it, I guess, several different ways, hence the convertible in the title of the bag. And yeah, I like it. It's mock properly, it's real leather. It has nice contrast stitching here, as you can see. I love the color. It's very neutral. It's brown, perfect for fall. But you know what? I would wear this in the spring as well. Let's see. God, am I gonna need some scissors? Let's see. And this bag I got for like $70 or $75, and it was originally $195. So very good deal. Each bag comes with its own dust bag, so we like to see that. We like to see, you know, those little finishing touches to the packaging of the bag. And it comes with this little strap. And the strap, oh, so this is why it's convertible, because the strap, obviously you can make it a shoulder bag. You can make it a crossbody bag. I will insert pictures of me carrying the bag so you guys can kind of see what the size of it is. And, oh, so this comes here. So these little claps are on the outside of the bag versus on the inside, which is a little bit different. But again, you can wear it as a clutch. So this is something that goes very easily into like a bigger bag. I'd say this is about maybe 6.5 inches, no more than 7. Yeah, this is, I mean, again, very nice. It has a little pocket here. Let's see what's inside of here. Oh. It has like card. See, I didn't know it even had this. It has like 6 card holders in here, so you don't have to carry a wallet. It has another like pocket here for like bills and stuff. Do you see that? That looks, I didn't even know that they even have this feature in here, to be honest with you. I kind of wish I would have gotten the black one. They had a black, they had several colors, and I kind of wish I would have gotten the black one, but I was trying to be good. And I actually see now that that was a mistake, because this is going to probably be one of my most used out of the entire haul here. And it still has this little detail here with the branding embossed in the leather here. I don't know if you can see Staud there, but yeah, I really do like this one a lot. This is very nice. Again, adjustable strap. You can wear crossbody, or you can wear it, if you can adjust it to wear it as a shoulder bag, and I love it. And again, this is called the Holly convertible bag. Okay, on to the next. So this next bag, I just fell in love with it. I love the shape of it. I think it's very different. This is called the Caroline bag, and it's like a little, I guess maybe rectangular shape. Again, it has contrast stitching here. There's like 2 types of leather here. This is more textured. And then this at the front and like the back of the bag, it is smooth. And yep, these also have feet, which I love it when they put feet on bags. So let me, again, unwrap it. And let's see, it has a little tag here. I will take out this little piece on the handle here so we can see that. Oh, it has a little protective situation here to kind of keep the structure of the bag. This is a nice touch, but I'm not able to get that out. Can I tear that? Yeah. Nice size. Again, nice dust bag. Oh, see, it has a lot of stuff in here. So it also has, because there's no like closure here, it has this little velvet bag inside that you're actually able to like close with a drawstring, which I like a lot. As you can see, you can see that here. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, and so you just kind of hold it like this. Like this is one of those bags that a handheld bag that I would hold like this. I don't think I would wear it like this, even though I guess you technically can, but that's a little tight. So that's not really how the bag is designed to be worn. It's designed to be worn like this. Cute, going to brunch. I'm cute. This will be really cute with my little outfit I have on today. And you know what I like? I just noticed they also have like the contrast stitching like on the edges on the inside of the bag. This bag, there's a lot of attention to detail. I love this bag. This bag was probably maybe 110, 112, something like that. And this bag retailed for $325. So again, I got this bag for a little over $100. This was a complete steal. Again, full leather, smooth, nice quality, very structured. This is a bag that is not going to go out of style anytime soon. And one of the reasons why I like Staud is because I think that Staud does a really good job of just having bags that are very much them, but sort of like transcend trends. You know, if you know what I mean. Like this is not a trendy bag. This is just a classic Staud bag, and I love it. So on to the next. So the next bag, what drew me to this bag is really the color of it. I don't even know what the name of it is because the tag isn't necessarily out, but I will show you. Look at that. This beautiful green. This is a bucket bag. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Like, look at that. Look at my lipstick against the color of this bag. It's gorgeous. By the way, I have a Milani lip crayon. I think it's like $5. I will link the information in the description box. And I will link all the information about these bags in the description box below. Again, I'm not sure if they're going to still have this because this was a sample sale. So I don't know if they had a certain amount of bags at a certain price, or these were kind of going out because they're different colors. And so they were kind of phasing out. I have no idea. But if I can find them or find something similar, I will definitely link those. But yeah, so let me get this out here. And God, it's just a lot to unbox. Of course, we get another dust bag. All their bags come with dust bags. If you have not gathered that is a trend. This again has the same, like, I'll leave it in here, but this has the same like little is this, well, is this suede or velvet? This looks like this might be suede. Maybe that was suede in there too. I think that was suede. With the little drawstring in here. This feels very much, this is very nice, guys. Like it really is. I'm really trying to get this paper off. Having a hard time. I should have had some scissors. Hold on. Okay, I'm back with scissors. All right, so let's see if we can move this along. And I don't believe I told you this, but this bag is called the Bassett bag. And again, I paid like $100 for this bag, and this bag retailed for $375. So a great, great bag. It does come with a strap as well. So if you wanted to wear this crossbody, you could. Again, this is the bag that is completely unboxed and unwrapped. It is gorgeous. Again, this bag is meant to be worn like this, but if you really wanted to, you can still wear it here, but it's still pretty awkward because again, this is very structured. So like where would you put your arm? Is this going to sit like this? No. So this is not an arm bag. So if you really do want like a shoulder bag or something like that, then this is not the bag for you. This is a masterpiece. This is a showpiece. This is something that you know, do not bring to the mall. This is not a mall bag. You're not going to, you know, be toting this around, you know, trying to carry all your other bags. You know, this is a brunch, cute dinner, you know, something where you're not going to really be, you know, going to different places. You know, I wouldn't be bringing this to like a bar or anything like that, you know, because you don't know if you're going to be able to have any place to keep this bag. This is a delicate bag that I would just use for special occasions. But yeah, I love it so much. Oh, the detail here, the paneling going down here. I love it. Here it is, the bottom of the bag, and I highly recommend it. The color is gorgeous, and this was in several different colors. I just thought this color was just absolutely fantastic. So on to the last bag, and probably my favorite. Like it may be my favorite, probably won't be my most used bag, but it's definitely my favorite. Okay, so this next bag is called I think this is the Shirley bag. Yeah, this is the Shirley bag. Retails for $3.75. I paid again $100 for this bag. This bag does not need any unbagging or unwrapping because it came sort of unwrapped. But here you go. Look, you know what? Y'all know this bag is right up my alley. If you know me at all, you know this little teddy situation is absolutely insane. I love this bag. Then, hold on. I think all the Shirley bags do have this. This is like a standard feature. It's like a really good feature of their bags. It comes with this little case that kind of sits inside the bag, and this is leather as well. Like, look at this. This is insane. Like, zipper works really well too. And again, the quality inside of here is great. It's suede. The lining in here is very much suede, and obviously this is real leather as well. So this is something that you can pop into the bags, you know, to put like your unmentionables or some things that you kind of don't want to be exposed, because again, there is no closure to this bag. So this is something that fits perfectly inside the bag. And I'm pretty sure that if you didn't want to take it out, you can kind of just zip it, unzip it, and not put all of your stuff that you need in here. And then you just zip it and then you're ready to go. So I love this bag here. I think it's, oh my God, I think it's great. And I am going to get some use out of it too, because this is just a nice bag. And I would probably even carry this bag to work. And because this bag is a crossbody, I would probably carry this bag at more places as well, because I feel like it lends itself to, of course, you get the dust bag, and then you also get this strap here, which is fairly long, which is why I said that I would wear this bag. This is a bag that I would wear in a more casual way. Because I think that, I think the teddy makes it a little bit more casual, to be honest with you. And then I also just feel like because this strap is rather long, I'm going to show you guys right now. If I can unwrap it. So before it's so long, you know, you're able to like wear it around like this very casually. So this is a bag that I would wear casually. Two of them I would not, obviously. The black bag with the handle, I would not. This is not, you know, a casual bag. The green, the Bassett bag is not a casual bag. However, the crop, this bag here is definitely more casual. You can wear it, you know, definitely as a crossbody. And then also, and this is adjustable too, so therefore you can make it, you know, shorter or longer depending on your height. The same thing with this one. This bag is this particular strap, which again, this is in the chocolate leather as well, which matches the trim of this here. And this is adjustable. You can make it longer or shorter depending on your height. So that includes my haul here. Let me know if you like this type of content or not. I was going to do a total, like, I guess, handbag collection. Don't have many. I mean, I have a few, but I'm building. So this is like, oh, if you wanted to see, you know, the collection of a girl that doesn't have that many bags. Let me know if you would be interested in that. But yeah, I have lots of content in the works for you guys. So just leave any comments, you know, if any questions that you might have. I'm very responsive. I respond to every single comment. And just let me know what you think about my channel right now. If you have any suggestions or whatever, you know, it's fairly new, you know, and I'm looking for any and all feedback. So this is on a Sunday, so I will say enjoy your Sunday and have a good weekend.